Hey guys, this video is going to walk you through how to use extra time in Canvas. Now, none of our Canvas assignments are timed, so if you log in, you can spend 1 minute on the quiz, or you can spend 1 day on the quiz, or you can spend 3 days on the quiz. That doesn't matter, so you have extra time in that regard. However, sometimes maybe you had to close your computer down, or you had to go to your next class and you had to close that tab. I'm going to show you how you can still use extra time. So there are a couple of different ways that this works. The first is if we're taking a quiz. So maybe you're taking this quiz. I'm just going to pick some answers. But oh no, you only got to question 4, the bell rang. Now you have to go to your next class and you know that your computer's about to die, so you're not sure what to do. What you would actually do is you would scroll down and you would click Submit Quiz, even though you're not done, because you want to save your answers. So you would click Submit Quiz. You're going to see you have 6 unanswered questions. Go ahead and click OK. Now, when I go back later to my modules, I'm going to click on that quiz again, and it will actually show me how I scored and which answers I picked. And what I can go ahead and do is I can, maybe on a piece of notebook paper, write down what I put for each question. So for number 1, I put C. For number 2, I put B. For number 3, I put D. And I would write down the answers that I already have. Now, this one shows us the correct answers because it was a practice quiz. On a regular quiz, it's not going to show you those answers. But what I would do if I needed to retake this quiz, I would write down the answers I already have, and I would click Take the Quiz again. And then if I know that I wrote down for number 1, I put B, then I could just go fill in my answers and pick up where I left off. Now, sometimes in Canvas, you'll have an assignment where you have to type things. If you are worried about losing your work, there are 2 things you can do. So you have typed the beginning of your rough draft. Pretend this is a rough draft. You have to go to your next class. You have 2 options. You can either copy paste this. So right click, copy, paste it into a Word document, and then save the Word document. And then when you go to turn it in, you can open that Word document back up. Or if you're worried about, keeping a Word document and accidentally losing the Word document, you can actually click Submit Assignment. And then when you open that assignment back up and you click, you'll see Resubmit Assignment, you'll see Submission Details. You can click on Submission Details. You can actually copy and paste what you already wrote. Click Copy, Resubmit Assignment, paste what you already had, and keep typing. So those are 2 ways that you can use extra time in Canvas.